Perfectly prepared for use in the plant. When speed is of the essence, there is no room for error. Our pre-assembled camera optics modules are ready to connect, precisely adjusted to customer specifications, and can be put into use immediately. This reduces commissioning times, prevents any deviations, and brings reliability to your series production. You receive a tested, documented module that works reliably from the very first use. We assemble the camera, lens, and, if desired, matching filters. This is done under constant conditions in a professional, anti-static, and particle-free environment with clear process control. Each assembly is carried out with precision, and the movable settings are secured. The result is a perfect module that can be integrated into your application immediately. Each unit is technically tested using software and test images in accordance with sensor cleanliness and focus specifications. An electronic final report is stored for each module as proof. On request, we can supply labels with customer-specific identification for the finished module, traceable, standardized, and ready for use. This solution is particularly suitable for series applications and international rollouts, where each system must be identical and duplicable. This minimizes risks, avoids dispersion, and increases your efficiency. Focus on your applications. Avoid mechanical assembly work and the additional costs involved. Leave the professional assembly of your camera optics modules to the experts at Stemmer Imaging, who have many years of experience as well as professional infrastructure. Want more technical insights? Then subscribe to our YouTube channel for compact, practical examples of machine vision.